Hello, my fabulous viewers, and welcome to this session of tarot reading. Now, this is the reading from 1st to 15th of October for the sign of Libra. First of all, happy birthday, all the Libras, and may God bless you. Now, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, if you know astrology. Now, this is general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Don't try to fit in. And and also remember that the energies can always swap. यानी energies बदल सकती है. ये energy आपके person की भी हो सकती है, आपकी हो सकती है. So without further delay, let's begin with you, Libras, my love team. Let me know the past. In this, I'm going to tell you about the past, present, your future, your challenge, and your advice. So let's begin. Libras, what is there for Libras to know, my love team? What is there to know about Libra's collective, my love team? Let's see what's there. One last shuffle. Okay. This is your past. This is your present. This is your near future. Libras, this is your challenge, and this is your advice. Okay, Libra, so in the recent past you've got the Knight of Cups. So this was a proposal, this was some sort of offer of love. Somebody was wanting to come towards you. They came, they were a little hesitant, thoda hesitant the, but they came towards you with their offer of love. Now this is not a very stable energy, but yes, definitely somebody wanted to be in a relationship with you in the recent past, or you wanted to be in a relationship with someone. Take it as it resonates. Now in the present moment you have the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. Now Eight of Pentacles in the reverse is showing that things are not working out, or somebody doesn't want to invest, they don't want to make put in efforts in the relationship, and they don't want to invest any more emotions or money into this relationship here. So we'll clarify and see what happens. Now in the near future you have the World in the reverse. So in the near future there seems to be something which keeps happening all the time. Things have not ended. There is an unfinished business. The lessons have not been learned. कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो आपको सीखने की ज़रूरत है, वो आप नहीं कर रहे हैं. Now let's see what's happening in the challenge position. You have the Nine of Pentacles. So Nine of Pentacles shows that this woman is single. She's single, she has got lot of pentacles, she's comfortable, she has got money, she has got her own garden. But you can also see this cactus tree. Now the cactus tree also says that you have everything. You have a beautiful garden, you have money, you are single, independent, but you also have thorns in your in the flowers. Rose flower also has thorns. कांटे भी होते हैं, फूल के साथ कांटे भी होते हैं. So your challenge is to become independent. Your challenge is to accept the realities. Your challenge is to stand on your own 2 feet. Your challenge is not to be emotionally dependent on anyone. Now what is in your advice? Your advice is the King of Cups in the reverse. Now advice is the King of Cups in the reverse shows that this is someone who is not emotionally available. So the emotions are gone. Emotions जा चुके हैं आप दोनों के बीच में, और ये कोई पर्सन भी हो सकता है जो कि आपका चैलेंज हो. वी विल क्लैरिफाई एंड सी. And what you don't see coming at the bottom of the deck, you have the Temperance. Now Temperance means that Temperance means that you have to be patient. Someone has to be patient. They have to in the near which you cannot see, that you are being patient, balanced, and with the you've got the Moon also, Moon in the reverse. So someone is going to come to know. You're going to come to know about your own. You're going to tell someone about your own feelings, or somebody is going to tell their own secrets. You will come out of this feeling of fear and not seeing anything clearly. You will see things clearly, but you need to examine, you need to research first, and then take the risk. So this is what's happening at the bottom or in the background. Now let's see. Let's clarify the cards. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups. What's this Knight of Cups? What's this Knight of Cups for Libra, please? Please give me the clarification for the Knight of Cups for Libra. What is this offer which came in Libra's way? Okay, Libra. So you have got the Three of Cups upright, you have got the Queen of Swords, and you've got the King of Wands. And this is what happened in the recent past, Knight of Cups upright. So this is clarified by these three cards. Now यहाँ पे ये लगता है कि आप somebody made an offer. Somebody made an offer and someone here made an offer. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini और Aries, Leo, Sag. लेकिन कोई पर्सन था जो रिकन्सिलेशन चाहता था मगर उसका ऑफ़र ठुकरा दिया गया, किसी ने उसका ऑफ़र ठुकरा दिया. Because you see this Queen of Swords. Now this Queen of Swords is facing this to this King of Wands. तो ये दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. They are looking at each other. So what does this mean? This means that this person was very passionate and towards you, or you may be very passionate to someone and you wanted to reconcile, you wanted to come together. But this person, you see this woman is Queen of Swords. She is very, very cool and detached. She is very logical. She is very, very reasonable. She wants to see the truth. She only talks about truth, and she wants to cut anything which is not which she feels is not good for her, because she's very logical. So she's cutting this person out, and you see this hand here. So she's asking for truth. वो आप आपसे this person ने cut कर दिया because she wanted to know the truth. She wanted to know the reality. कोई भी चीज़ छुपी ना रहे. So someone really rejected the offer in the recent past, and this was a very close relationship, I think. So someone just did not want to go with they rejected the offer. They were not emotionally available. But somebody offered their love, their cup of love. Now let's see what's happening in the present moment. Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. So somebody doesn't want to put effort in the relationship maybe. So let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles for Libra. Let me see what's happening with the Libra collective. Okay, Libra, you've got the Knight of Swords in the reverse, you've got the Six of Wands in the reverse, and you've got the Ace of Wands in the reverse. With the bottom of the deck, you have the Ten of Swords in the reverse, upright, you have the Death upright. So something has changed, Libra. Something very, very drastic. कुछ ना कुछ बदल गया है यहाँ पे. And there is no passion. Somebody is not passionate. So, somebody is not is passionate. They cut you off, or you cut off someone. You wanted a brand new beginning, or someone wanted a brand new beginning. वो चाहते थे नई शुरुआत हो, उसमें काफ़ी passion था. But there is lot of passion, but यहाँ पे cups नहीं दिख रहा है. That means यहाँ emotions नहीं है. यहाँ passion तो बहुत है. Something changed, Something ended. Death with the Ten of Swords. Something very painful. It was very painful to end this, but something ended. Something transformed, and it was huge. It really transformed. But यहाँ पे passion तो बहुत है. Maybe you have a very good chemistry, but यहाँ emotions की कमी है. Someone is unemotional here. They only want passionate part. They don't want emotions, or they are not that emotional. So let's clarify the world in the near future. Why the world is in the near future, my love team, for the Libra people. Okay, Libra, you have the Three of Wands, you have the Star, and you have the Justice. This is you. Justice card is your card. So what it is showing in the near future, it is showing that आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये ऐसे चलता रहता है. दिस साइकिल कीप्स हैपनिंग दैट समबडी हो सकता है कि आप लोग एक दूसरे से बार बार अप्रोच करते हो, और बार बार फिर आप लोगों में लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाता है और सब कुछ फिनिश हो जाता है, ख़त्म हो जाता है. सो समवन हियर हैज़ टर्न्ड ए बैक, and it may be you are moving to the next chapter of your life, but or maybe you are still waiting. You have not completed this cycle. You are again waiting, and maybe you are waiting, maybe you are planning your future with this person. Something is unfinished. You need healing, Libra, because with the Star in the reverse, Star in the reverse is that you need to heal yourself. You need to understand, with the justice in the reverse, you need to understand that there are certain things which are not correct. Balance नहीं है. There are certain things which are not correct with this relationship. किसी चीज़ fair नहीं है. To be precise, they are not fair. So you have to go inside Libra. You have High Priestess. You have to try. You have to tap on your intuition. You have to first of all अपने इनर वॉइस को सोचें, अपने अंदर जा कर के सोचें ठीक से कि क्या चीज़ है जो वर्क नहीं कर रही है, जिसकी वजह से ये बार बार आपका रिश्ता जुड़ता है फिर टूटता है, जुड़ता है फिर टूटता है. देयर इज़ अ पैटर्न यू नो हियर. नाउ लेट्स क्लैरिफाई योर चैलेंज विच इज़ द 9 of Pentacles. Maybe you are single, that's what your challenge is. So you don't want to be single, although you are independent, but you are single. So let's clarify the 9 of Pentacles for Libra. 9 of Pentacles is clarified by the Emperor in the reverse, by the Knight of Pentacles and by the Chariot. This was your challenge. This was your challenge, 9 of Pentacles. And it is clarified. Now here Libra, आपका चैलेंज है कि आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं. आपको लग रहा है कि सब चीज़ें थमी हुई हैं, कोई चीज़ आगे नहीं. एंड यू आर फीलिंग अनस्टेबल. आपको लगता है आप सिंगल हैं, आपकी लाइफ में इमोशंस नहीं है, इमोशनल और लव लाइफ नहीं है, एंड यू आर सिंगल. सो यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू मूव ऑन. या देयर इज़ अ वेरी बॉटम ऑफ द डेक में ये है लवर्स. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी beautiful connection between you two people. You had lot of chemistry. Somebody offered the cup of love. Somebody was codependency issues. Somebody was very dependent on this relationship here. This is what it is telling me, Libra, that your challenge is that you don't want to be single. I think you want this person to come back, but you feel that things are not moving. This is what it feels like. Now let's clarify the King of Cups in the reverse. Who's this person? King of Cups in the reverse. This is your advice. ओके Libra, so your advice is King of Cups in the reverse. तो इसमें मैंने जैसे आपको पहले भी बोला कि यहाँ पे इमोशंस की कमी है. यहाँ पैशन तो बहुत है, बट यहाँ इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट नहीं है. तो आपकी एडवाइस है कि आपको इस रिश्ते में इमोशंस लाने की ज़रूरत है बिफोर यू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग न्यू. and also you have to take a risk. You have to have, आपको कुछ रियलाइज़ करने की ज़रूरत है. आपको क्या रियलाइज़ करने की ज़रूरत है कि यहाँ पे या तो दूसरा पर्सन इमोशंस आपके लिए फील नहीं करता है, या आप उसको इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट नहीं देते हैं. सो यू हैव टू करेक्ट योर सेल्फ. यू हैव टू रिव्यू. आपको ठीक से सर्वे करना चाहिए अपना कि ऐसे आपके रिश्ते में ऐसा क्यों है. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग यू हैव टू टेक द रिस्क, क्योंकि बिना रिस्क लिए लाइफ में यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. 5 of wands, देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, इनर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, और हो सकता है बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व हों. यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट एंड यू हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. यू हैव टू बी क्लियर. This is what it is telling me for you, Libra. So I hope you like the content. Please give a like, hit the like button, and see you next time. Till then, bye bye.